This is what I refer to as a 10025 fan. It's essentially 100 millimeters across and 25 millimeters in height. The motor is back here, and you have to mount it using these three screws. The fan cannot be operated like this. It won't do what you want. So what I had to do was design a plate to mount it so you could hold it, and then a 3D part that would just sit right here, and then it would work. That's what this was, the first version of that fan. I'm rather pleased with the performance. (1002) fan, 12 volts DC, switch on. Full power. Okay, switch off. And stop. Okay, so on, off. Stop.
Smokeless Chimney, warm homes and clean air for everyone. www.smokelesschimney.com